morning once again, guys. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to install a Windows Movie Maker. So normally we use the Windows Movie Maker to create movies and edit movies and stuff. Okay, so let's begin. So first things first, we need to download a Windows Movie Maker installer. Okay. And then after we download the Windows Movie Maker, and make sure also, guys, that you are using the same bit, so you can check the bit of your computer, and or just simply press the Windows post break. Okay, so here we can see that it is on a 64-bit operating system. Okay, so make sure that the Windows Movie Maker or the installer that you downloaded is for 64-bit. Okay, so so here there are folders. Just open the folders and find the installer. Okay, so here it is. Just simply install the Windows Movie Maker application. Open it. Yes. And then install. But before you install this one, make sure to turn off your virus protection on your computer. You can find it here, virus and protection. Open. Just click that one. And then virus and threat protection settings, manage settings, then real-time protection, turn it off. Yes. And then install the Windows Movie Maker. Okay, we're gonna wait this one to load up to 100% until it's complete. So guys, almost done. We are on 92%. Anyway, guys, this installer that I have is compatible with Windows operating system. Okay, so now we're gonna do is launch it. This one will ask for you to register the product. Anyway, just click later, and then, as what I have said, copy and paste this one in the C program files, then find the folder which is Windows Movie Maker. Okay, and paste this one here. Continue. And then open it, patch, then patch, patching done, exit, then close this folder, then try to open again the Windows Movie Maker. Okay, and that's it, guys. That is how to install Windows Movie Maker. I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a good one.